Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to easily manage push notifications in the Momondo app. Many people receive too many notifications from travel apps, and that can become distracting. By adjusting the settings in Momondo, you can stay updated only on the alerts you actually care about, while avoiding unnecessary interruptions. First, open the Momondo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll until you see the notifications option and tap on it. Inside this section, choose push notifications to view the available categories. Finally, you will see several types of alerts, such as trip notifications, travel hacks, your opinion counts, travel bucket list, and special offers. Simply turn off any category you do not want to receive and leave enabled the ones you find useful. By doing this, you will create a more personalized experience and reduce unnecessary distractions while still receiving the travel updates that matter most to you.